So you got to hear about this. Some people are turning to artificial intelligence to make their financial decisions.
Our Lindsey Mastis is highlighting AI all week and has some insight about this tool to help you invest.
That's right. And I know a lot of us just want to say, hey, make me $1 million, right? If it was that easy, we would all be doing it. But AI might be able to help you decide how to invest your money based on your goals. I spoke with Alexander Harmson, and he says that he came up with the idea for an AI called PortfolioPilot because of his own frustration with financial advisors.
What they really wanted me to do was transfer all of my assets to their accounts. And then they would charge me, 1 or 1.5% management fee, whether they beat the market or not.
Harmson says PortfolioPilot is designed to act like a financial coach. So yes, it can help you choose stocks, but it could also help with estate planning and scenario planning. So it could show you what could go right, but also what could go wrong.
In some ways, the system is very opinionated and will tell you, this is a good idea, this is not a good idea. But then also there's these tools and there's an interactive component to it to let you discover for yourself, am I doing the right thing? Do I feel confident with my current setup?
And he says it will also give you a report card scoring your current financial situation. Now, there is a free version. They also make money on monthly subscriptions, and those range between $29 a month and $99 a month. I asked about privacy. He says user data is never shared. I also reached out to Aaron Clark. He's the president-elect of the Financial Planning Association of the National Capital Area. We had a great conversation from the financial planner's perspective. He believes AI could provide a great starting point, including by keeping your costs low. But he believes that there would be a point when a financial advisor is crucial. And you can see his full statement about it along with more on this story on our WJLA homepage.
All right, sounds good. Lindsey, thanks.